Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this custom acrylic sign with rose gold leaf and metallic paint. We will be using a piece of clear acrylic from my local plastic store. This is an 8 by 10 inch. The Deco Art Metallics in rose gold. A 1-inch Craft Smart paintbrush. A glue stick, I am using the Elmer's gel. And some rose gold leaf that I got off Amazon. Look at how gorgeous this is. It came in a pack of 3, along with the gold and the silver. And to create our custom decal, we are going to be using a Cricut maker machine, our Cricut standard cutting mat, some vinyl transfer tape, along with the Cricut knife. So this is just a scrap piece. So you will be seeing some minor imperfections on the corners, kind of like that rough edge there. I picked up some scrap pieces from my plastic store just so I could practice some of these designs on, because I've never worked with the gold leaf before, so I just wanted to point that out. So this will be our back side of the acrylic piece. We will add our leaf and paint this side and then flip it over and add our decal to the back. I'm going to just start kind of marking some pieces here. And then I'm just going to lay the sheet right on top of that. You might kind of want to be quick about this just so that glue hopefully doesn't dry up on you. And it's sticking onto my finger, but then as I run it over those spots with the glue on it, it picks it up off my fingers, so it is sticking. So I'm going to add some glue to this bottom half now. Now that I have it all over my hands here, I am just kind of going over any spots that I might have missed. So if you have a brush like this, you can certainly use something like this to start going over, just start brushing off the excess. Or I have just like a regular microfiber cloth here, and I'm just kind of rubbing over those spots just to get off all of the excess that's not glued down. So either way works just fine, just a way to kind of rub off the rest. And paint right on top of the gold leaf. And this metallic paint is quite thick, so I'm going to be adding quite a bit of it. So while that dries, I'm going to hop on my computer to make my decal. So I'm over on Cricut Design Space, and I enter in a box to serve as my placeholder, unlock that, and make that the size of my acrylic sheet. I then enter in the text and change it to the font that I want. I do have the font linked below, along with a 30% discount if you guys are interested in a subscription with Creative Fabrica. I just weld those letters together and just kind of play with the sizing and the placements on the acrylic sheet. Once I have those in the place that I want, I just delete my placeholder box, weld everything together, and then cut it on the premium outdoor vinyl setting. So I'm just going to be eyeballing this. You can use grid paper if you already painted your acrylic piece, or I actually just uploaded a video on how I use my Cricut self-healing mat and the grids on that to help align decals on acrylic pieces. But this one's just for fun and to practice the design on the back, so I'm just going to be eyeballing this. And I like using the Craftopia soft scraper, and this actually comes with that transfer tape with the grid lines that I was just talking about, and I will link that below in the supplies. I think this would be great for a rose gold themed wedding or any sort of like modern sort of jewel tone. And I'm really excited to try the gold and the silver leaf as well. I think that came through really nicely. And thank you guys so much for watching this. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and I will see you soon.